This is an introduction to algebra. In algebra, we want to find solutions of equations. So what is a solution of an equation? A value of a variable that makes the equation true. Okay, let's take a look at this equation. X plus 2 equals 5. How many solutions do you think there are to the equation? Some equations have no solutions. Some have one solution. You could have 2, 3, or even infinite solutions. This one has just one. There's one particular value of the variable here that would make the equation true, and there's no other values that would make it true. So let's find the solution using algebra. To do that, we're going to have to undo the operations that are happening to the variable here by using the inverse operation. So if we see addition involved in our variable, we want to do the opposite of addition, which is actually subtraction. So addition's inverse operation is subtraction. Okay, now how exactly do we do that? Well, we want to modify our equation by making a change on the line below. So since 2 is being added to x, we need to subtract 2 from that. And we have to do it equally to both sides of the equation. That way the two changes will cancel out. And what we'll see is that x plus 2 minus 2 actually leaves us with just x on this side. And then we can do 5 minus 2 on the other side to reveal the solution to the equation. And as this shows, there is only one solution. And it's 3. Now we should be able to check our work. The way we check it is by rewriting the original equation, but putting a parentheses in place of the x. And now we want to take that solution that we found and plug it in place of the x. And then we want to simplify both sides. So 3 plus 2 on the left makes 5. And if we get a true statement here, 5 equals 5, then we know we solved it right. Okay, let's try it when we have multiplication involved. 2 times x equals 6. How many solutions to the equation do you think there are? I'm going to guess one solution. There's just one number you could put in place of x to make this true. And now we'll find the solutions. So to find the solution, start with the original equation, and then we can make our changes below. Now, addition's inverse was subtraction. What's multiplication's inverse? It's division. Okay, so we want to show a division. We use a bar for that. But if we do it to the left side of the equation, in order to make things balanced, to make things equal, we have to do it to both sides of the equation. Our final result here will be that the times 2 and the dividing by 2 cancel off. And we'll do the division 6 divided by 2. The answer is 3. And that's the solution. Let's check it. Two times something equals 6. Could that something be 3? Yes, 6 equals 6. It checks.